Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change background color on Instagram story. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting our time, let's go toward the video. First, you have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the plus icon at the top right. You see this, and then click on the story. Once you click on it, you will be able to add your story. So select a picture or a video from your gallery which you want to add your story. So I select this one and adjust it as you want, and then click on the draw button to change the background color, and click the color which you want to as a background color and hold it and leave it on the screen, and your background color will be selected. Let's we repeat it. Click select the color and hold it on the background, and then click on the done. To add your photo, show the photo, click on this sticker icon and scroll down and click on the plus. You see this plus and agile, and select the same story which you want to add to your story. So let I select this one and adjust it. Then as you adjust it and you are satisfied, then click on the next, and then click on the share button, and then done. So your story will be added to your story, and as you want. So the background color will be easily changed through this method. These are the simple steps to change the background color. If this video is informative for you, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.